Welcome to Healing Springs Pharmacy. We are now accepting new clients for our holistic health care. Call 919-578-3276 for an appointment. We explore nature and all natural healing with Earth as our guide. Meet our holistic practitioners. Earth Feathur, founder, Reiki master teacher, and holistic healer. Felicia Williams, registered nurse and Reiki practitioner. Dr.Shawn, mental health counselor, hypnotherapy and Reiki practitioner. Self-love and self-care is our motto. We hold holistic healing and private retreats for groups and private workshops and seminars. Join us on Saturdays in Winston-Salem for our Women's Reiki Circle. And on Sundays, join us for Sistar Sundays with Reiki and meditation. Follow and focus on your visions until you see the dream become a reality. Consider giving to our campaign at VIYC.org. Thank you. Shop 24/7 online at our store, squareup.com/store/Healing Springs Pharmacy. Thank you.